Thanks for joining us for this brief video tutorial, which will show you how to turn a class into a lesson plan. To do so, you're going to navigate to the class on your calendar, choose the title, and then select the option Create a Lesson Plan based on this class. Once you've made that selection, you'll be asked if you would like to include all assignments in your class or just those that you select. I'm going to select all assignments. Next, I'm going to be sure to mark the box that says Include Completed Assignments because I would like all assignments I put in the class originally to appear in my new lesson plan. After that, select OK. You'll be taken to a box that shows you all the assignments that were in the lesson plan. You can make any edits or grading category changes that you'd like to do. You may want to change the title if it's a lesson plan that had become a class and is now becoming a new lesson plan that you made edits to by calling it Revised Junior High European Literature or something like that. Once you've made any changes necessary, select the button Save and Close. That's all there is to it. Your new lesson plan can now be found in the Lesson Plan library found in the drop-down box and scrolling down to the section called My Lesson Plans. And there we have Language Arts Junior High European Literature. You can make edits to this lesson plan by choosing the Edit button, just as you can any other lesson plan you've created. You can delete it, you can share it with someone else, or you can apply it to your calendar. That's all there is to it. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for being a Homeschool Planet subscriber.